Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí Ile Eko TV. On this channel, we learn about the Yoruba culture and language. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the channel below. Thank you very much, and let's get started. Yay! You're welcome to the next challenge. Thank you so much, and well done for making it this far. Today is test day, where we'll be testing all the things we learned on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and the recap we did yesterday. Èní ni ọjọ́ ìdánwò wa fún gbogbo nǹkan tá a ti kọ́ látọjọ́ Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday pẹ̀lú revision tá a ṣe ní àná. Bẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ lórí Ilé Ẹ̀kọ́ TV, a like láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ijó. So nísìnyí, a máa jó díẹ̀ ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìdánwò wa o. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o, ṣẹ gbádùn ijó yẹn? Ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, you can get a sheet of paper like we did last week, or get an adult who you can see the answers to. On the sheet of paper, for every answer you get right, you can put a stroke or a tick so you can count the numbers that you've gotten right. Or you can get an adult to show you, to help you with this as well. So we'll start from the first question, and you put a tick next to each question you've gotten right, and then you will then mark the number of questions you've gotten right at the end of the video. Thank you very much. Ó yá jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. The question kìíní tá máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni, what is ní Yorùbá? Ẹ kọ orúkọ nǹkan tó wà lórí screen yín sílẹ̀ ní Yorùbá. Kí ni roof ní Yorùbá? Kí ni roof ní Yorùbá? Kí ni window ní Yorùbá? Kí ni door ní Yorùbá? Ẹ lè sọ or ẹ lè kọ. Tẹ́ bá gbà kẹ́ fi stroke kan sí orí paper yín o. Next question is, kí ni sitting room ní Yorùbá? Kí ni sitting room ní Yorùbá? Kí ni sitting room ní Yorùbá? Next question, kí ni bedroom ní Yorùbá? Kí ni bedroom ní Yorùbá? Ẹ rántí pé a kọ́ eléyìí ní ọjọ́ Tuesday. Kí ni bedroom ní Yorùbá? Kí ni garden ní Yorùbá? Kí ni garden ní Yorùbá? Kí ni garden ní Yorùbá? Next question, kí ni bathroom ní Yorùbá? Kí ni bathroom ní Yorùbá? And the last question on house is, kí ni kitchen ní Yorùbá? Kí ni kitchen ní Yorùbá? I'll give you a couple of minutes to quickly answer these questions, or either say it to an adult or write it down on a piece of paper. But if you say it to an adult, if you get it right, put a stick or a tick next to these questions on a piece of paper. The timer starts now. Ẹ rántí o, àwọn nǹkan tá a kọ́ ní ọjọ́ Monday and Tuesday léléyìí o. Where we learnt about the house. A kọ́ nípa roof. Tẹ́ bá rántí, roof ní Yorùbá. Nípa door ní Yorùbá, àsorúkọ ẹ̀ ní Yorùbá. Window, àsorúkọ ẹ̀ náà. Ẹ try láti rántí nǹkan tá a kọ́. Well done o, ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. Ẹ try láti rántí. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. I'm sure you're doing well. I'm sure you're doing quite well and telling mommy and daddy the answer. Well done, boys. Well done, boys and girls. Good job. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. Just a few more seconds and we go to the next question. Yay, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Now we'll go to the next question. A tún kọ́ nípa sitting room. A kọ́ nípa sitting room. Now, do you remember the verbs that we learned this week and the Yoruba equivalent of them? So we're going to test that right now. We learned about kini dance ní Yoruba. Kini dance ní Yoruba. Dance ní Yoruba. Next question. Watch ní Yoruba. Watch ní Yoruba. Read ní Yoruba. Read ní Yoruba. Play ní Yoruba. Play ní Yoruba. Again, I would give you a few minutes to go through all these questions. Either tell an adult or tell somebody who is there to. You can put a stroke next to the paper you have in front of you. The timer starts now. A kọ́ nípa eléyìí ní ọjọ́ Tuesday. A lè sọ pé I describe our activities tá a máa ń ṣe nínú sitting room. We said things like ẹbí mi, obìnrin, obìnrin, ọkùnrin, ọmọdé. So this I'll give you like some pointers to remind you of the things we learned. Again, ẹbí mi, obìnrin, ọkùnrin, ọmọdé. I have a few more minutes to go. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Well done. Well done. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Now we're going to go to the next question. In the living room as well, we always spoke about certain things that the items we find in the living room in Yoruba. Tẹ́ bá rántí, a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú sitting room ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Tá a máa ń rí ní sitting room ní Yoruba. Can you mention 3 items that you see in the living room in Yoruba? Timer starts now. Tẹ́ bá rántí, a sọ pé a máa ń rí lamp stand. A ní pé a máa ń rí cushion. Kó ẹ sọ ní Yorùbá ni o, ẹ má sọ ní English o, kẹ́ sọ ní Yorùbá. Cushion. A máa ń rí sofa. A máa ń rí wall clock. So kẹ́ sọ gbogbo àwọn kiní yìí ní ìtumọ̀ wọn ní Yorùbá. That's their meaning in Yoruba. You say all of this in their meanings in Yoruba. Well done. Well done. I know some of you are trying to remember. I know some of you are trying to remember these words. Just concentrate and try to remember those words. Well done. You're almost there. Few more minutes. Few more minutes. Few more minutes. Few more minutes. A few more seconds, actually. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Well done. So we'll go to the next room we studied, which is bedroom. Bedroom. A dẹ̀ describe àwọn activities tá a máa ń ṣe ní bedroom. So ẹ máa láti sọ àwọn eléyìí náà ní Yorùbá. Tẹ́ bá rántí. Awake. What is awake in Yoruba? Awake. What is awake in Yoruba? Wear. What is wear in Yoruba? What is wear in Yoruba? Take off. What is take off in Yoruba? What is take off in Yoruba? Read. What is read in Yoruba? What is read in Yoruba? Sleep. What is sleep in Yoruba? Again, please don't forget to put a tick next to the questions you've gotten right after you've told an adult the meaning. Timer starts now. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, tẹ́ bá rántí, a sọ pé obìnrin, obìnrin, ọkùnrin, ìyá, ọkùnrin. Try láti rántí àwọn verbs yìí tá fi describe nǹkan tá a máa ń ṣe nínú yàrá. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Few more seconds to go. Few more seconds to go. Few more seconds to go. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Mo lérò pé ẹ ń rántí gbogbo àwọn kinní yìí o. Well done. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Now, we'll go to the other things that we see in the bedroom. Mention three items in Yoruba. In your bedroom in Yoruba. Mention three items in your bedroom in Yoruba. Tẹ bá rántí pé a kọ́ nípa gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń rí nínú bedroom ní Yorùbá. So mention three items in your bedroom in Yoruba. Again, tell an adult and put a tick to the ones you get right. Timer starts now. Think of the things you see in your room that you would and say those words in Yoruba. Like you find a mirror, you find a cupboard, you would find a bed, you would find a mat on the floor of your bedroom. So just think of the things you will find in your room in English and say those words in Yoruba and the ones that we taught in Ile Eko and mention that to an adult. Echo shell. Know you're thinking. Know you're thinking. Must be quite easy and fun, right? Well done. Well done. Few more seconds. Few more seconds. Almost there. Almost there. Echo shell. Now we'll talk about the things that we see in the bathroom, the activities that we do in the bathroom. So we'll start with bath. What is bath in Yoruba? Bath in Yoruba. Wash in Yoruba. Wash in Yoruba. What is wash in Yoruba? What is poo or pee in Yoruba? Poo or pee in Yoruba. What is wipe in Yoruba? What is wipe in Yoruba? Yeah, the timer starts now. Ẹ sọ gbogbo àwọn kan tá a sọ ní English yìí ní Yorùbá. The equivalent of these words in English, say them in Yoruba. Timer starts now. Tẹ́ bá rántí, a ní pé ọkùnrin, obìnrin, ọmọdé, àbí ọmọdé, then ọmọdé. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Just keep at it. I know you can remember. I know you can remember. Few more seconds to go. Few more seconds to go. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Well done. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Also this week as well, we looked at the things we find in the bathroom. So mention three items in your bathroom in Yoruba. Mention three items in your bathroom in Yoruba. And also, we also learned about the different body parts in Yoruba as well. So mention three parts of your body in Yoruba. Mention three parts of your body in Yoruba. The timer starts now. Ní bathroom, what are things we see in your bathroom? We will find a bucket. Remember, find a sink, find a shower. So mention those things you find in the bathroom. You can find tissue paper. to say those words in Yoruba and mention it to like your or any adult around you. For the body part, I remember the rántí pé a kọ́ àwọn pa kí la máa ń pe things like hair, eyes, ear, knee, hand, chest. So if you can remember those words in Yoruba, just write it down or, or say them to an adult and put a stroke next to the ones you've gotten right. Few more seconds. Few more seconds. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún kọ́ nípa kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. So ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ àwọn nǹkan tá a máa ń ṣe ní kitchen. So you say the words in English and you tell an adult the Yoruba equivalent. So kí ni cook ní Yoruba? What is cook in Yoruba? What is cook in Yoruba? What is cut in Yoruba? What is cut in Yoruba? What is eat in Yoruba? What is eat in Yoruba? Ekushel. So think of the activities we do in the kitchen. What is cook in Yoruba? What is cut in Yoruba? What is eat in Yoruba? Ekushel. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Few more seconds to go. Almost there. Ekushel. Mention three items in your kitchen in Yoruba. Mention three items in your kitchen in Yoruba. Timer starts now. For example, you can say the knife in Yoruba. You can say the pot in Yoruba. You can say kettle in Yoruba. You can say chopping board in Yoruba. You can say, what else do you find in the kitchen that you can say in Yoruba? You can say all the things you would typically find in the kitchen in Yoruba. You can say a cup in Yoruba. Just mention three items that you find in your kitchen and say those words in Yoruba. Ẹ rántí pé a kọ́ àwọn kiní yìí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà ní ọjọ́ Wednesday. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. Mention three items you would find in your kitchen in Yoruba. Few more seconds to go. We are almost there. Well done. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa. Nísìnyí màá lọ sí garden. A tún kọ́ nípa garden ní wíìkì yìí. So what are those activities that we do in the garden? Can we remember them and say them in Yoruba? We'll start with run. Kí ni run ní Yoruba? Run. Kí ni run ní Yoruba? Plant ní Yoruba. Kí ni plant ní Yoruba? Kí ni kick ní Yoruba? Kí ni kick ní Yoruba? Kí ni play ní Yoruba? Kí ni play ní Yoruba? Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ timer wá ńsìnyí o. Timer starts now. Please don't forget to either tell an adult and put a tick next to the ones you've gotten right. Timer starts now. Mm, Ọkùnrin, tẹ́ bá rántí, ọkùnrin, obìnrin, bọ́ọ̀lù, ọmọdé pẹ̀lú toy. So just remember those words, those activities that I said we do in the garden. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ọkùnrin, ọkùnrin, obìnrin, àwọn ọmọdé. So just remember that few more seconds to go. I know you're almost there. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Well done. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí náà, a tún kọ́ nípa nǹkan tá a máa ń rí ní garden wa. So mention 3 items in your garden in Yoruba. Mention 3 items in your garden in Yoruba. Timer starts now. You can talk about, you can say the shed in Yoruba. You can say the garden broom in Yoruba. You can say like a toy area or toy place where people play. You can say that in Yoruba. You can say a bench or a chair where people sit down to have to relax in the garden. You can say that in Yoruba. Just make sure you mention those things you will find in your garden and say the words in Yoruba. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. That's fair. Ṣetán lórí question yìí o. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Yay! Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. Well done. Meta. Can you sing one of the songs we learned this week? I will give you some clues to start off and then expect you to take it from there. The first song starts with bata, bata, bata. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. That's the first clue. Second song starts with Ori, and the humming goes mm, 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 mm. That's the second clue you get. Then the third song starts with Omo. Mm, 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 mm. That's the only clue you get. So those are the three clues you get. Can you sing any of those songs and sing it to an adult there? And later back back, fi stroke sorry paper yín pé ẹ gbà o. Well done. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa. Next, we go to the the proverbs that we learned this week. Can you tell us one of the proverbs we learned this week? Can you tell us one of the proverbs we learned this week? Timer starts now. Tẹ́ bá rántí gbogbo àwọn proverbs tá a learn ní week yìí, a dẹ̀ sọ nípa pàtàkì àwọn proverbs because they help us with life. Mo máa ń rántí pé àwọn òbí wa máa ń sọ láti kọ́ wa bá ṣe máa hùwà bí àwọn ọmọ dáadáa. Tell us, can you try and remember one of the proverbs we learnt this week? One was about the home, about um charity in the home. Well done, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Can you also tell us one note we learnt this week as well? One note that we learnt this week. Timer starts now. One of the notes we learnt this week. Can you remember any of the notes that we learnt this week? Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Almost there. Almost there. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, well done. Ó yá o, ṣé lè kọ orin álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá? Ṣé lè kọ orin álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì Yorùbá? Ó yá ẹ kọ́ nísìnyí o. Mm, 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 mm. Yẹ kẹ́ ti mọ orin yìí nsìn, because a kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a tún kọ́ ní wíìkì yìí. And you can sing it multiple times. Once you get it right, you can sing it multiple times. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Well done, good job people. Nísìnyí, a máa lọ sí àwọn alphabeti tá a kọ́ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. Can you say one item that starts with B? With G, with G, with G, with G. Can you say can you say one item that begins with B? B, B. A kọ́ yẹn ní wíìkì. Timer starts now. A kọ́ yẹn ní wíìkì yìí o, tẹ́ bá rántí. Well done. Can you name one item that starts with I, I, I? Timer starts now. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Can you also name one item that starts with he, he, he? That's letter I in English, but he in Yoruba. I in English, he in Yoruba. Well done, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Can you say one item that begins with G, G, G? Timer starts now. Well done. Can you say one item that begins with ki, ki, ki? Timer starts now. K in English, ki in Yoruba. Say one item that begins with ki, ki, ki. Adẹ̀sọ yẹn week yìí o, ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. Ẹ kúṣẹ́ o. Well done. Ó yẹ ẹ jẹ́ á pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín èèyàn ọmọ dáadáa o. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o, takuntakun tẹ́ ti ṣe látàárọ̀. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ jẹ́ tí a tún pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ jẹ́ á tún pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o ẹ̀yin ọmọ dáadáa. Now to the answers. Now, let's mark our answers. You can get mom or dad to help you, or you can do it yourself. So the answers, you can just, because you've told them the answers, you've already looked at everything, and the ones you've gotten right, mommy and daddy can help you with this. All you need to do is count the sticks as you go through over the answers. So all the answers you told mommy and daddy you put a stick to, you can go over all those answers and count those sticks as you go over those answers. Well done, Ekushel. Now, add all your correct answers, and if you have more than 15, yay, you've passed. You've passed and you've moved on to the next stage. But if you did not get if you did not get up to 15, don't worry. You can do it again and just go through all the videos for what we learned on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday for the recap, and just do it again. And I'm sure the second time around you get everything. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Àti ṣetán, we've come to the end of today's learning and stage 2 learning. Please leave your comment and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button on the channel below. Thank you very much. Ó dàbọ̀.